Okay everybody, we are starting to wash and damage repair this cars. Head to cars here to work. Come on, let's go. First time we are to wash and give foam. Already finished, foam completed. Step 2. Clean using strong push water. Look at this car is blue color, imagine. Oh yay! Car wash completed, your car to clean now. Look at here, right door is damaged. Here left 2, body sheet repair side lift car. And one more side right of door, damage need to rush removal. Rust removal completed. Now to body painting, blue color. Yes, painting touch-up completed. Already finished, car wash and damage repair completed. Now here, second car look many mud. Okay everybody, we are starting to wash and damage repair this cars. Head to cars here to work. Come on, let's go. Spray foam completed. Step 2. Clean using strong push water. Oh yay! Wash completed. Look at here, rear door is damaged, need repair now. Rust removal completed. Next step is spray paint coating. Yes, painting touch-up completed. Next step, this car changed for air filter. And changed windshield cleaner. Windshield cleaner completed and all work is done. Amazing, this car look good, clean and safe. All work well done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.